building that you noticed when we first came out of the cellars, the building right in front of you, is where we make all of our wines now. And when they are ready to bottle and put in the box, then they are piped from that building over here to this building. The tank, the red, white, and blue tank is where we put the wine that we're going to bottle. And if they're going to be put in a box or a bag, then it goes into the white tank. The machine back there in the back is where we do our box wines, and this machine will fill the bag or the bladder and just suck all the air right back out of it, kind of vacuum sealing that wine. And that way your box wines will actually stay for a lot longer than it does in a bottle. Of course, I don't have that problem in my house, but when we get our bottles in, they are very, very sterile. We take the boxes, we turn them upside down onto this line here. This machine will then grab a hold of that box. The box will then set the bottles in right side up. The box will go up and around and come meet the bottles back down there at the other end. As the bottles come down, they go through one last bit of sterilization. And then we come to our filling machine. As it comes down the line, it starts to go into the machine, and there's a foot that gets underneath the bottle and lifts it up into that round thing. Then there's a little pipe that's no bigger than the end of your finger that starts filling the bottle as it travels around the machine. It acts like a flotation system, and once it gets so much wine in that bottle, it kicks off. It comes on around, the foot lets it down, and it goes on down the line. The first capping machine we have here is what I call the all-in-one. It has a cap and a sleeve, all-in-one process. Comes down, the bottle will then grab hold of that right there, knocking it down. See, and this has no grooves on the inside of it yet. It puts it down on here, the plunger hits it and makes it go all the way down. And then the little screw things that are up there starts putting it and making it tight around the grooves in the bottle.
Where do you get your bottles? Do you buy them from someone?
Yes, we buy them. Yeah, we don't have the facility to take our bottles and reuse them, so we just.
And how many do you bottle each year? Did you already say that?
We bottle anywhere from about 52 to 60,000 cases a year. We can do about 2,000 in an 8-hour day. We still have wines that we cap, and they have to go through the green machine here. And of course, those wines don't have a sleeve, so they have to go through the sleeving machine. But everybody has to go through the thermal strength because it scrapes the sleeve down onto the neck of the bottle. We have two different kinds of label machines. We have what I call the peel and stick. This is kind of like the stamps. And then we have a fake. And it has the labels that come up. The machine comes up, picks that label up, brings it around, puts it on the thing that has the glue, and puts the glue on it. And it comes around and then it sticks it onto the bottle as the bottle is twirling. And then it'll go through little finger-like things that smooth out the labels onto the bottle. They go around, the guys will almost put them right back into the same box that those bottles came out of. They come around, they glue the flaps down onto the boxes, and then they put them on the flaps. Anybody have any questions?
Do you bottle year-round, or?
Yes, we do. Because we have wines that come off at all different times. Sometimes they'll come off in the middle of winter, several wines. So yes, we bottle the year round. We may not bottle every day, but we do bottle the year round. Our Oktoberfest is coming up. Our wine fest is going to be October the 12th this year. We're going to have lots of fun. It's going to be our 50th to have it up here on the ground, so we're expecting great and wonderful things to happen. So, we also have a tasting bar back in our retail, and if